In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Copilot in PowerPoint. Let's start by opening PowerPoint. Once you're inside, you can either open an existing presentation or create a new one. Now direct your attention to the toolbar where you will find Copilot. Click on it to get started. This will be your go-to assistant for creating and enhancing your presentations. Next up, let's dive into creating a presentation. With Copilot open, you can simply ask it to make what you need. For instance, you might say, create a presentation about climate change, or perhaps make a 10-slide presentation on project management. Once you've given your command, Copilot will generate the slides for you. This step is crucial because it automates the creation process, saving you significant time and effort. Moving on, you can also create slides from a Word document. Start by opening Copilot again. Look for the option that says Create from a File. When you select this, you will be prompted to choose your Word document. Choose the document you want and let Copilot work its magic by turning it into slides. This is particularly useful if you already have detailed information in a Word file and want to integrate it seamlessly into your presentation. After that, if you need to add a new slide, it's as simple as asking Copilot. You can say, add a conclusion slide, or maybe add a slide about marketing trends. Copilot will then create the slide for you. This is important because it ensures your presentation remains dynamic and tailored to your needs. Now, if you have existing slides that you feel need some polishing, Copilot can help with that too. Select the slide in question and ask for improvements. You might say, make this more professional, or shorten the text, or perhaps rewrite this for executives. Copilot will update the content accordingly. This step is essential for refining your slides to suit your audience perfectly. At this point, you may want to summarize your entire presentation. Open Copilot once more and type in, summarize this presentation. Copilot will then provide you with the main points and key takeaways. This feature is invaluable for creating concise summaries, especially useful for preparing an effective closing statement or for sharing a brief overview with colleagues. With that ready, let's move on to creating speaker notes. Simply ask Copilot, create speaker notes for this slide. It will generate talking points that complement your presentation. This is particularly helpful for ensuring that you have all your important notes organized and ready for the actual presentation. Before we wrap up, let me share some useful prompts. You might find these handy. Create a presentation about social media marketing, or add a slide about risks and challenges. If you need to summarize your presentation, just ask, summarize this presentation. And if you're aiming to make a slide more captivating, you can say, make this slide more engaging. Lastly, if you need speaker notes for all slides, simply request, create speaker notes for all slides. Keep these tips in mind as you work with Copilot. They will help you make the most of this powerful tool. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find using Microsoft Copilot in PowerPoint as exciting and efficient as I do.